Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
It is possible to make cookies without baking soda or baking powder, but the resulting cookie will be dense. This is because carbon dioxide is not being produced by a chemical reaction that typically occurs when baking soda or powder is present in the cookie batter.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
You can, however, make a baking powder substitute by using baking soda. All you need to make baking powder are 2 ingredients, baking soda and cream of tartar. Cooking Light recommends substituting 1 teaspoon of lemon juice or vinegar for every half teaspoon of cream of tartar.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
If you have a recipe calling for baking soda, you might be able to substitute baking powder. However, you will need up to 4x as much baking powder to get the same amount of leavening. And, depending on the recipe, you might end up with a baked good that's a little bitter with that much baking powder.
Take our lead.
1. Unless you want cakey cookies, avoid using baking powder. The cookies made with both the single and double-acting baking powders were just too darn cakey. 2. Baking soda helps cookies spread more than baking powder.
Take our lead.
Chocolate chip cookie recipe without baking soda or baking powder. 1/2 cup of butter. 1 cup of packed brown sugar. 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. 1½ teaspoons vanilla. 2 eggs. 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon salt if using unsalted butter. 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.